Opas, welcome back, your rejected Greek, for another episode. Today, we have something very special. Yes, and it is named after my son George, King George Whiting. And that's what we're going to cook on the Crossroad Barbecue. Come in close and have a look at this beautiful King George Whiting, straight from Port Phillip Bay in Victoria. Beautiful, nice and fresh, ready to go. What we're going to do is going to cook it very traditional, Mediterranean style. Cook it on the grill, on the Crossroad Barbecue, with all 4 burners on low. We're going to use the top grill because it is a delicate fish and we want to make sure that we don't rip all its skin off. So we're going to cook it with a little bit of lavy, salt, pepper, some lemon, and of course some parsley just to put on top. So now it's time to prepare it for the barbecue. It's important we put a bit of lavaki, a little bit of olive oil. And we'll put a bit of olive oil on top and we'll just cover it because we don't want it to stick. Just like that. Not too much because that will go all the way around. And you just grab it now and just touch it like this. Just put it on, paste the olive oil, just like this. Come in closely if you want to see how I actually do that. Just it. That's it. Just cover it. A little bit of olive oil, not too much. And just like that. And then we'll put our salt. Plenty of salt. Like that. And some pepper as well. And then we'll turn it over and we'll repeat the process. Just like that. Turn it over and put it on. It doesn't take long to prepare these fantastic Mediterranean style dishes, as long as you keep to the basic principles. Salt, pepper, oregano and lavy. That's all you really need for vegetables, for your fish when you're cooking it on the barbecue. So we'll put that away, just like that. And let's not forget, I nearly did, a little bit of rigani. We don't want to put too much because it will make it bitter on the barbecue if we over marinate it with this beautiful imported rigani. Beautiful. There we go. So we've got our Crossroad Barbecue just here. We've got all 4 burners on low and it's sitting at around 250, 270 degrees. And there we are. Look at it, nice and warm, ready to go. So what we'll do is we'll put them straight on top. Opas. Just like that. There we go. Straight across our beautiful King George Whiting. They measure about 350 grams each. So they're going to take around about 3 or 4 minutes on either side to cook with the hood down. Okay, welcome back now. It's been around 4.5 minutes, 5 minutes since we've had our King George Whiting on the Crossroad Barbecue. And just to remind you viewers, I've had all my burners on low and I'm cooking them on the top grill. And they're about 350 grams each. So you can see how it's starting to bubble away. And that tells me that it's time to turn them over. So we'll grab them gently, and as you can see, because I put that olive oil at the start on the fish, none of the skin is actually coming off. Opas, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So we're going to leave it there. You can see from the eye as well that it's all nearly cooked on that side. We'll put the lid down, leave it for another 3 minutes, and then we'll plate them up. Opas, welcome back. It's time to plate up our beautiful King George Whiting. We've been cooking on the Crossroad Barbecue with all 4 burners on low now for around 10 minutes. And we've cooked it on both sides, and come in and have a look. Look at it go. Look at it boiling away from the inside out. It is ready to go. The delicate part is what comes now, when you need 2 tools to remove the fish so you don't break it up, because it's ready now to serve and put it on your plate. And look at that. Opas. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Opas. And we'll grab one more. There we go. And just put it on our plate. Beautiful. Here we go. This is King George Whiting, everybody, from Victoria. Freshly caught about 3 days ago. And now it's on Jack the Greek's serving plate. So we've got it there. And now it's time to put on our little herbs and our magic. First of all, we're going to cut a little bit of lemon, and we're going to put a little lemon zest just on top like that. Beautiful. All the way around. Give it that extra little lemony tang flavour. There we go. So we've got that. We're next going to put some beautiful lemoni. Opa, just like that on each of the fish. Beautiful, beautiful. There we go. Wipe our hands. Then you might ask why I still got my olive here, my trifiglia oil. And thank you to Aegean Deli again at Preston Market because we're going to put some beautiful olive oil just along like this, just like that, just on the fish. Beautiful. Give it that beautiful Mediterranean flavour and taste. There we go. So there's that. And then put a couple lemons just around like this. So just give it a bit of room. A couple of lemons, oh, like this. That's it. Beautiful. And of course, some parsley on top like that to give it some garden parsley flavours. Beautiful. Look at that. One more lemon just back there as well. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we've cooked a beautiful meal on the Crossroad Barbecue. Another seafood delight, straight from Victorian waters, nice and fresh, picked up from Preston Market and made and cooked on the Crossroad Barbecue with some beautiful herbs, including parsley, salt, pepper, oregano, and lemon. And again, thank you everyone for watching. Obas, Jack the Greek.